Hey guys, FjCuts here, and I'm back again with another video, guys. And this one is a most asked video, guys. It's basically how do you style your perm. And guys, this is just one of the ways you can style your perm. It's just basically after you do get a perm, your hair will basically become very curly when it's wet. So guys, when your hair is wet, your hair is basically just coiled up into the curls, and what you want to do, guys, is you want to split up those curls so you get a more fuller look. But obviously there's different people that have different ways of people have different ways of how they like their hair to be, guys. People like the hair more defined, some people like their hair more full and more volume. And guys, to get more volume when it's dry is basically by using a hair diffuser attachment. And that hair diffuser attachment is what I'm using here, which is at the end of my hairdryer here, guys. And what I'm basically doing is I'm using it as a tool to just basically get the hair flowing outwards, not just into one direction, because when you use a blow dryer, it basically just goes into one spot, and with that, guys, it's just gonna basically loosen up the curls and the definition will be good. So yeah, like what a diffuser does, guys, it basically just spreads out the airflow so it's all even when you're putting into one spot. This way, you know, you get a more fuller look, and by using your fingers, guys, you can just pick out a little bit by not using a comb. If you guys use a comb straight away, it sometimes just pulls the hair out and then the roots will be kind of frizzy. So just use your finger, guys, it's much better. You guys can even put cream on before you actually, you know, start using the hairdryer. It just speeds up the process, guys, in the mornings when you guys need to get to work or you guys need to go somewhere and you don't have all the time to just let your hair dry, especially if it's cold outside. It's not good for your hair to be wet and you're stepping outside. So yeah, guys, you just use this diffuser attachment. You guys can get this on my website as well. But yeah, guys, everything that I use in my videos, guys, you guys can purchase is down below. You guys always ask me. It's www.FjCuts.com. everything is there. The international shipping, the attachment, the perm rods, the perm kits, the end papers, the clips. I'm also gonna add new products, guys. If you guys want to see more products on my website, just comment down below. And yeah, guys, for this one I'm doing right here is I'm basically just digging it into the hair, and this is basically to not lose too much of the definition. I'm just sticking it into the hair and I'm using the actual diffuser work for itself. So by sticking it in there and shaking it around a bit, guys, you're basically promoting the hair to be dry but actually promoting more definition with volume, guys. This way, you know, you're not really touching it too much, so the curls will stay in more rather than using your fingers. If you use your fingers there, you're gonna get more definition. I wish all the best for you, but I know I'm a flesh on you, yeah. This is all I know, that part is DCD, baby. Still tryna let my wood, but I know if she's feeling me. Is she here for the door? Nah, nah. I can trust the soul, nah, nah.
delete. Still can't find no remedy.